Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Flipped and Blended Learning Professional Development class. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the tools you can use to create original lesson content. We'll be dividing the tools into two different categories. We'll be looking at screencasting tools and video production tools. The first kind of technology we're going to look at are screencasting tools. Screencasting tools allow you to add narration to whatever is on your screen. Most screencasting tools also allow you to add annotations like this. You can screencast from a tablet or a desktop computer. We're going to look at 3 different screencasting apps for your tablet, 1, 2, 3, and 1 desktop-based program. My all-time favorite screencasting app is Explain Everything. In fact, I used Explain Everything to make this video. It's a mashup of PowerPoint, which I use to make the slides, and Explain Everything, which I'm using to do the annotations. The app is $2.99, and it's available for iOS and Android devices. Explain Everything allows you to create slides and import photos, videos, and web links. You can record a narration for each slide and add annotations or drawings as you speak. You'll see that there's a ton of different tool options to pick from. Your finished screencasts can be saved as MP4s, which you can upload to your learning management system, or you can directly publish the video to iTunes, Dropbox, Evernote, and Google Drive. One of the newer screencasting apps out there is a free app called Animobi. It's touted as having an especially easy process for moving finished lessons from the iPad to your learning management system. The app allows you to create slides, import PDF files from Dropbox, and add images. It has fewer tool options than Explain Everything, but still a relatively good number. You can record a narration for each slide and add annotations or drawings as you speak. You export your finished video to the camera roll and email it to yourself to post on your learning management system. Another free screencasting app is EduCreations. You can pay a yearly subscription fee to upgrade to more features, but if you're not trying to do anything fancy, you can probably get away with the free version. The app allows you to create slides and import tools. As you can see, the toolbar is much more limited compared to the previous 2 apps. You can record a narration for each slide and add annotations or drawings as needed. It's a little bit more cumbersome to edit drafts and create videos in this app than the other 2. Once you're done, your finished screencasts are uploaded to the EduCreations website, which provides a link that you can share with students in your learning management system. The next tool I'm going to show you is a little bit different because this tool is a desktop-based tool rather than an app. If you have Smart Notebook software on your computer, you probably already have the Smart Recorder installed on your school computer. Smart Recorder allows you to record whatever is on your computer screen along with your voice. To access Smart Recorder, click on the Windows menu, then Smart Technologies, then Smart Tools. With Smart Recorder open, you just click Record and it captures everything you do on your screen and everything you say into your attached microphone. When you're done, it saves the video as a WMV file, which you can upload to your learning management system or another video hosting service. The previous tools we looked at allowed you to create a screencast. The next 2 tools we're going to look at allow you to record live action. These are video creation tools. So the 2 tools we're going to look at are BoardCam Pro and iMovie. The first tool we're going to look at is iMovie. iMovie is one of the most fully featured video editing platforms, but it's only available for iOS devices and other Apple products. It can be used as both an app or a desktop version. If you want to get fancy, iMovie is the tool for you. You can edit video clips, add transitions and titles, and speed up and slow down your clips, in addition to adding narration. You can share the finished video to your camera roll and then email it to yourself or add it to your Dropbox or Drive to post to your learning management system. The other live action video creation tool we're going to look at is called BoardCam Pro. BoardCam Pro is available as an app, and it's a price of $1.99. It's available on both the Android and iOS platforms, but the Android version does seem to have quite a few more features. The really cool thing about BoardCam Pro is that it allows you to record and annotate over live video. So if you're filming an experiment, it allows you to use a laser pointer or a pencil on the screen to note things as they're happening. Finished videos are exported to your camera roll, which you can then upload and post to your learning management system. I wanted to mention one oddball tool that's in a category all its own, and that would be Nearpod. I'm not going to spend a ton of time talking about Nearpod, as you saw how it worked in lesson number 1, but it's my favorite go-to tool for creating flipped lessons, so I wanted to make sure we talked about it a little bit. Although you can create lessons on the iPad, it's easiest to do so on your desktop. A basic Teacher Nearpod subscription is free, but you'll want to pay for an upgrade to use all the features. The finished lessons are hosted by Nearpod, and then you, the teacher, provide students with a link to access the presentation. Now that you've learned about different tools to create original content, it's time to take a brief assessment. You must complete the assessment to receive credit for your time. You can find the link to the assessment in the Lesson 3 folder on Schoology.